By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what you need to do to gain 100,000 followers on TikTok in the next 7 days. And I'm talking about what time you should post, what hashtags you should use, and so much more that I'm gonna share with you towards the end of this video. And these tips are so good that they help this creator gain over 100,000 followers in just 7 days, this creator gain over 100,000 followers, and this creator. And if you want results like that, you need to make sure that you're implementing these tips, because just like you probably are right now, these creators had posts that were flopping. Were struggling to grow, and they quite frankly had absolutely no idea what to do to grow their TikTok account before they started to implement these tips. The first thing that you need to make sure that you're doing is actually posting at the right time, because if you're not posting on the right time on TikTok, well then guess what? You're going to post and nobody's going to end up seeing your video. And this is something that I see so many creators mess up, and you guys need to make sure that you're staying on top of this, because the best time to post is constantly changing. For example, a month ago, people were still in school. People weren't getting off early on Fridays. So guess what? You need to be posting at a different time in order to reach people. But now things have shifted. So here are the 3 best times to be posting right now. The first is going to be from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. The second, from 4 to 6 p.m. And then finally, from 7:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. If you post in those 3 time slots, then something's going to happen. You're going to see which time slot actually works best for people within your niche. And then guess what you need to do once you have that? You need to make sure that 80% of your posts are going out during the best time slot for you to be posting for your specific niche. And if you don't know how to find that, you shouldn't be looking at your analytics. You shouldn't be looking at your live to see when people are going to be online. Instead, what you need to be doing is you need to look at your top 5 posts from the last 7 days. And if you don't have a top 5 posts, well then you need to make sure that you stick around and implement the next 2 tips I'm going to be sharing with you, because they're going to get your post to have more views so that you can actually see what time you should be posting. But nevertheless, if you have 5 best posts from the last 7 days, you need to be marking down what time those posts were actually uploaded at 30 minutes beforehand, 30 minutes afterwards, and those are going to be the best times to post for your specific account. Now we can't stop there. I also need to make sure that you're using the right hashtags, but before I do that, please make sure you smash that subscribe button. If you want to grow quicker on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, I'd literally upload a video every single day about how to grow on these platforms, so please make sure you smash that subscribe button. In addition to that, go to the link in the pinned comment below, get into my free TikTok growth course. It's going to tell you exactly how the algorithm works so that you can get more views and more followers on TikTok. What are you waiting for? It's literally 100% free. Just go to the link in the pinned comment below. And by the way, those posting times are going to be for your specific time zone, because TikTok's a geo-focused app. So wherever you are in the world, make sure you're posting at those times for your time zone. And now we can move on to hashtags. There are 2 types of hashtags you need to be using on TikTok. The first one going to be broad. Things like hashtag FYP, hashtag viral, hashtag trending. The second type of hashtag is going to be something that is niche specific. This could be hashtag fitness. This could be a hashtag at home workout. This could be a hashtag fashion. Whatever it is that's related to your niche, and you want to make sure that you're going after the biggest hashtags with this. I see so many creators mess up. They go after super small hashtags, and guess what they end up getting? Super small results, because there's not that many people that are actually interested in the content they're creating, and boom, TikTok doesn't know who to push the content to, and they don't end up getting their posts pushed out. Now, there are 4 best hashtag strategies that you need to make sure that you're implementing right now, and here they are. The first one is going to be 4 niche specific hashtags. The second, 2 to 3 broad hashtags. The third, 2 niche specific hashtags, and then finally 3 broad hashtags and 2 niche specific hashtags. You need to make sure that you're doing a different hashtag strategy every single time that you post, and almost the same as your best posting time. You're going to find that one hashtag strategy is going to work better than others, and once you find that, I strongly suggest that you use that 80% of the time and test with the other ones the other 20% of the times. And just like the times to post, the best hashtags are constantly changing, so you need to make sure that you stay up to date on this. And now we're going to dive into the 2 most important things that I need to make sure that you're doing. The first one being, you need to make sure that you're actually uploading content that is trending on TikTok. And I'm not talking trending broadly on TikTok, I'm talking about trending within your niche. And there are 2 easy ways for you to actually be able to figure this out. The first one is going to be going to TikTok desktop, going to the explore page, and then going under your niche, and you'll be able to see everything that's trending. Not only will you be able to see what's trending, you'll be able to see what small accounts are actually getting pushed out, and this is going to make it way easier for you to know what length is working best for your niche, what hooks are working best for your niche, what topics are working best for your niche, what content you should be duetting or stitching for your niche. And it's going to make it way easier for you to have content ideas, because instead of you having to come up with the content ideas yourself, you can literally just take it from those creators. Or what you could do is scroll the For You page and try to find things that are trending within your niche. But a lot of people struggle with this and have a hard time with this. Why? Because they interact with a bunch of different stuff on TikTok. So their For You page isn't only the niche that they post in, which is why I recommend either 1, having a burner account on TikTok, or 2, only engaging with things within your niche. Because if you engage with things within your niche, you're constantly going to have the best TikTok ideas, and whoever has the best TikTok ideas is going to get the most followers if they implement this last tip. And that is that you need to understand that it's going to take several posts for you to actually go viral. If you want to go viral on TikTok, it might take dozens of posts for you to actually get a viral hit. And once you have a viral hit, you need to make sure that you have a call to action on it. A call to action is going to be giving people a reason to follow you. I'm sure every single person watching this video has gotten 10,000 views, 100,000 views, maybe even 1 million views, but you didn't get 10% of those people to follow you, and that's the metric that you need to be aiming for. If 10% of people that don't view your video don't end up following you, well then you don't have an effective call to action, and all you need to do is make sure that you begin adding a call to action into the last 3 seconds of your video or right after the hook of your video. It depends on your niche, which one is going to work best, but you need to make sure that you're doing that if you want to turn your views into followers on TikTok. Now, if you want me to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what exact hashtags to use, and so much more to guarantee you grow on TikTok, like the 3 creators that I shared with you earlier in this video, well then please keep watching this video because I've got a special offer for you. The opportunity to grow on TikTok and this organic reach that we're currently seeing is not going to last for forever. And the only 2 things holding you back from getting the followers that you deserve right now on TikTok and the followers that you want is 1, you haven't implemented the steps that I share with you in this video to help you get more followers, and 2, you haven't gotten into my TikTok mentorship program yet, where I literally am going to guarantee that I help you get more followers in the next 30 days or you get your money back, 0 questions asked. And the way that this works is I'm going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use to guarantee that you get more followers in the next 30 days. If that sounds interesting, then please go to the link in the description below and get signed up right now. The average person that's gone through this program has gained over 50,000 followers, and nobody has ever gone through it and gained less than 6,500 followers if they implemented everything that I share with them. And since you're still watching this video, I'm going to assume that you're above average. So the odds of you gaining over 50,000 followers is probably quite high. And it doesn't matter what your background is or what your niche is. This program is going to help you get more results faster and easier. If you're struggling right now to grow on TikTok, you need to get into this because every single day that you wait, it's only going to get harder to grow. So what are you waiting for? Go to the link in the description below and sign up right now. You literally have absolutely nothing to lose. You're going to get more followers on TikTok or you're going to get your money back. In fact, this creator just went through this program and gained over 10 million followers. This creator over 14 million and this creator over 16 million. And I want you to be my next success story. So please stop procrastinating, invest in yourself now and get the TikTok followers that ultimately you deserve. Or I strongly suggest you check out the next 2 videos I put up on the screen because they're the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.